Shenzhen Coswheel Technology Co Limited, established in 2015, is a leading manufacturer specializing in electric bike. With over 10 years of export experience, we supply high-quality e-bike to North America, South America, Europe, and Asia. Our products are certified with CE, EN 15194, UL 2849, FCC, RoHS, and 16 CFR, ensuring compliance with international standards. At Coswheel, we prioritize quality and customer satisfaction. We offer a 12-month warranty and exceptional after-sales service and provide dealers with a profit margin of more than 30%. Our commitment to continuous innovation drives us to deliver unique, high-performance electric bikes that meet global demand. As a dynamic and growing company, we invite distributors and agents worldwide to join us in expanding our reach. If you're interested in our products or a custom order, please contact us. Our dedicated sales team will provide prompt assistance and the best service.